Hi all, welcome back to our channel My Bio Notes. So in this video we'll be discussing about immunity. So before going into the video, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell button for more updates from our channel. So come, let's see about this topic of immunity. So what is immunity? So immunity is the overall ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism conferred by the immune system. So your body has an immune system to fight against any bacteria or any pathogenic organism. It can be a bacteria, a virus or a fungi which is going to infect you. So our body has a defense mechanism to fight against the particular pathogenic organism. So that you call by the term immunity. So there are two types of immunity. What are they? So first is the innate immunity and next is the acquired immunity. So innate immunity, first we will be discussing about the innate immunity. So what is innate? So innate means inborn or natural. That you call it as an innate immunity. So it is a non-specific type of defense. So it is not specific to the particular bacteria or virus. It is going to be general. So we don't know whether this the defense what your body is going to give against the bacteria is going to kill it or not, because it's not specific, and it is present at birth. Since it's natural, your body naturally has it from birth. And the different type of barriers, so discussing about this, what are the barriers your body has for an pathogenic attack, is that we have physical barriers, physiological barriers, cellular barriers and cytokine barriers. So that we'll be discussing in our coming slides. First, coming to the physical barriers. What are the physical barriers? So physical, so if you take a human body, what are the physical barriers you have against a bacterial infection or a viral infection is that you have skin. So that's a first barrier. So any microorganism has to cross your skin and then only it can enter and infect you. So that's a first barrier for a particular bacteria or any virus. So for the entry of microorganism, skin is the barrier, and also mucus coating of epithelium. So you have mucus which is a slimy, it's a jelly, and it is not miscible in water, this mucus actually. So it's a slimy substance which is present in the lining of the respiratory tract or a gastrointestinal tract and urogenital tracts. So here all you have this mucus lining. So what this mucus is for, if you see, means it is to trap the microbes, the bacteria, virus. It traps the microbes entering our body. So this is the second barrier for the, which is physical barrier. So it comes under physical barrier. And coming to physiological barrier. So what are the physiological barrier you have against an infection is that in stomach, if you take stomach, you have acid. So acid, it has an pH of 1 to 2. So it is very acidic. Our stomach acid, no, it is very acidic, and it has the ability to damage even our bones and teeth. So imagine how acidic our stomach is. So you all know some organism has a particular range of pH, in that only the organism will survive. So if it is going to come inside the stomach, so it can't survive. So this is a physiological barrier. And coming to mouth, so in mouth you have saliva. So what antimicrobial agent you have in saliva is that you have the lysozyme. So lysozyme, it is an antimicrobial agent, and also IgA, which is immunoglobulin A, you have in saliva. And coming to eyes, you have tears. So tears. It's salty, and it contains, it also contains the enzyme lysozyme, which is antimicrobial. So these all acid, saliva, tears, they actually prevent the microbial growth. So these are the physiological barrier. And coming to cellular barrier, so what are cellular barrier you have in your body is that first is the leukocytes. You all know WBC, white blood cells. So these leukocytes, monocytes you have in blood actually, and natural killer cells. It is a type of lymphocyte. And coming to macrophages. So monocyte mature to become macrophages. Monocyte cells, after it becomes matured, it actually goes inside the tissue spaces and all. So that matured cell of a monocyte, when the monocyte cell becomes mature, you call it as a macrophage. They have the ability to phagocytose and destroy microbes. So it is also a barrier for the entry of the microorganisms. So leukocytes is the white blood cells, and also polymorphonuclear leukocyte, PMNL, that is also present in blood, neutrophils. So these are the cellular barriers. These are all present in our body. And coming to the cytokine barriers. So what are cytokine barriers? So cytokine, interferon is an example of a cytokine barrier. So interferon is a protein actually. It is secreted by the virus infected cell. So when a cell gets infected by virus, it secretes this interferon. Why it secretes this interferon is that to protect the non-infected cells from viral infection. So we don't want our healthy cells to be infected, no. So this cell which is going lysis by a viral infection, it secretes this interferon. So this is the cytokine barrier which is present in the body. So thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel and also click the bell button for more updates from our channel. Happy learning to you all. Thank you.